Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to win disputes as seller. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So as you know, like for sellers, it is hard like to win barely any disputes. And basically because the buyers have the higher hand. And basically here we are just going to see these article or this Reddit, and we will learn some tips that you can try and maybe it will work for you so you can win the dispute for uh, or on eBay. And basically here this Reddit says like once the dispute is open, the clock starts. That means you will need just to be quick with your responses and your course of action. So you can put anything you want in the buyer in the same messages, and nobody will ever look at them if neither party calls. So basically, no one will see your message or you won't see the messages of the buyers. And basically, because it is fully automated, it's always like the buyer who will wants. So if the buyer waits the negotiations period out and just click online to escalate, they will always win and the case will be closed and you won't be able to do anything about it. So if the buyers calls, the message may be read by the agents, but usually you will lose as well. It takes a good agent. That means you will need someone to take like your case seriously, who actually cares to overturn a buyer case when the buyer calls. So basically, as the seller, you need to call before the buyers escalate. And when the proof of your case is in message and it is some strong proof, you will, that is when you call. And when you can prove feedback extortion or buyer remorse or reshipping or buyer modification, then you will call and probably you will be able to start winning as a seller. So basically, that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.